Hello everyone, today I'll show you a useful setting that few people know about, but it can be very useful in certain situations. I'll tell you everything and show you how. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends. This applies to settings on absolutely your entire phone. It happens that you've clicked something yourself, for example, something in the standard settings or something in your apps, and your smartphone starts acting up. You're trying to figure out what you clicked, what you pressed, but of course, you can't find anything. You can't do anything about it. The first thought that comes to mind is to reset the phone to factory settings. But in reality, this is very frustrating, because you'll, of course, have to set everything up again from scratch, download your apps, and so on. It's quite a labor-intensive process. Setting up the phone from scratch. There's an easier option. You can go to the standard settings, then click About Your Phone, or Phone Info. Click on your firmware, and you'll see 3 dots. Click this, and among all the settings, there's a line called Download Full Firmware. Click it, and you'll be asked whether to download the new firmware or not. If your phone is really glitching, of course, click OK, and the full firmware download will begin, the one you had installed. You can see the download is happening. Of course, it usually takes a few minutes, because the file will be about 2 or 3 gigabytes. After the download reaches the end, just click Apply, and the exact same firmware you're currently using will be installed, only without any errors you made on your phone. And you won't have to perform a factory reset, of course.